at this, she's shining. What Christmas Milan is like. This is the idea of this video, and I want to bring this Christmas vibe not only for the screen but also for myself. So we are going on the Christmas markets. For the full imagination of the Christmas vibe, we need to make one thing. The most not linked transition, but anyway, here we are in the evening Christmas Milan. And we are going to the Christmas market. Wasn't there? It's a coincidence.
What?
Here a quick tip, the Duomo Square gets crowded, especially in the evening. So if you want to enjoy the scene without the crowds, here I will show you the small trick how to avoid the crowds and to see the main tree inside of Vittorio Emanuele Gallery with the best view. And what is the small trick about is that if you're going by this way with Tiffany, you occasionally bumped into Ferrari shop and also have a nice little view on the main tree without having those crazy crowds that I will show you in a while. But first of all, the gorgeous view. Next, we are heading to one of the most iconic landmarks of Milan, the Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II. This grand shopping arcade is not just a place to shop, but an experience itself, especially during Christmas. The trick is exactly that you have this tree right in the center, because actually it isn't. And from this point you just get a better photos and a better view. And let's switch for the main view. If you're here to do some shopping, I recommend it coming early in the day before the crowds hits. The Galleria can get really busy in the evenings, especially during holiday season. So morning visit is a great way to enjoy the space and take some photos without a rush. Or night. Actually, this is the time where all photo shootings going. night if you want to have an empty space here. Very good site. Passing through La Scala, it is exactly here. There's actually even a trick how to enter La Scala for 10 euro. 10, I don't know why I'm showing 5. For 10 euro. If you want me to film the video about it, let me know in the comments below. You are going together with me to the Via Mont Napoleona, but I can't help but saying that it's just for the beautiful facades that they have. And here we got a little change of the plans. On my way to Via Mont Napoleona, just right on the corner before the street, you could find the Palazzo Magico, the Palace of Magic, that was decorated for this Christmas. So I couldn't resist to show it in the video because it gives you a perfect Christmas vibes. I have a feeling of Alice going into Wonderland. Literally, because I don't know what is here. Okay, it's literally a concentration of Christmas. I don't know, like, on what I need to put my hands because it's like everything is gorgeous. Okay, judging by the last event, we all need some predictions. Where is mine? Those two. Oh my god! Look at these tables. Pick your hero. Or... And the trick is exactly that. You need to go to this shop in the last hour of its opening. Then you will have a possibility to enjoy every installation by your own. Now we are on Via Mont Napoleona, one of the most famous luxury shopping streets in Milan. During Christmas, this street becomes even more spectacular with unscaled boutiques showcasing their most festive window displays. Practical tip here: even if you are not here to shop for high-end items, it's worth walking down Via Mont Napoleona. Just pick a right timing. Okay, and this is exactly the reason why you should go to the street when it's already the nighttime or the kind of dark, because you just could see all the streets not so crowded and two cafes still open, so you had a chance to go to the restaurants and cafes that are located in this area but without crowds. the lighting should be placed probably. Regrets. So this is it. This is our small Christmas store. Probably I need to pick up some more Christmas background. And like this, we are making the circle from the via Mont Napoleona to La Scala. And then you will see in a second, I will say in a couple of minutes, that we are ending our tour in a kind of circular way, because it will be near the Christmas. I don't know, I like this old tramps. Because we will ending our tour near the Starbucks and the hotel that is gorgeously wreathed like a present in the Christmas lights. And you will see it now. Or I need to do like just like this. And it will be the most Christmas background that I could have. I don't know if you hear the music that I have over there. I hope you not. But like this, our little Christmas tour from Milan is over. And I hope you like this video. And it gives you a little of the Christmas vibe. And maybe this is the exactly time where you need to bring your Christmas tree to the house and start to decorate it. Because it's literally the times when our family do this. So I hope you like this. I definitely have a new Christmas vibes, a new Christmas mood. So I'm super happy and going to watch Harry Potter literally right now with the warm tea. And please don't do any mistakes and take the scarf because this wasn't the right choice. I was literally going like this. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, please leave a comment below and see you in the next videos. Ciao! There is gorgeous. Oh my god, I'm so happy and so freezing.